Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today in RGH 3.101, I'm going to demonstrate how to enable you to play original Xbox games on your console. So one of the first things we need to do is to grab the emulation files from the console mod website, or you can just Google it. And in the package, you'll get 3 folders. You'll get the original Homebrew emulator file itself. You'll get the RGH Partition Fixer, and you get the compatibility files. So I'll be demonstrating how to apply each of these. Once you have them on USB, we'll move over to our console. Now that we're on our console, go into that folder with all the files that's needed. And the first thing you're going to run is the Partition Fixer. So we're just going to go and launch that. And this is where you're just going to press the A button to prepare the partition. Okay, once the partition is prepared, and press the B button. So once Aurora is restarted, if you should go into your file manager, you should see an extra drive show up with HDD. Your next step is to go back into the USB, and this compatibility folder, you're going to need to highlight it, and we're going to copy this folder into HDD. And here we're going to paste it right there. And after we're done that, we're going to go on our emulator file. So we're going to highlight this folder. It's going to copy it. And we're just going to go into our HDD1 apps. And we're going to put it right here. Okay, and once that's done, you're going to give your console a restart. Okay, once restarted, I'm going to press on the back button and go into scripts. And then we're going to go down to our original Xbox emulator. I'm going to launch it, and we're just going to select the 2021 A configuration. Once you select that, you'll now have the ability to run an original Xbox game on your console. In the next tutorial, I may show how to actually convert and add those files. So, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and like and subscribe.